Uploading past, present, and future reservations to Guesty in bulk saves time and hassle, prevents double booking, and ensures your calendar is always synced and updated. To begin, log into your Guesty account, choose Operations Mode, click Reservations, and then here. Start by clicking here to open the template file. Now click File, then Make a Copy, and save it. This will be the copy you'll work on. In it, click this tab and fill in all the information about the reservations you wish to upload. In the file itself, follow the instructions in this row to make sure you fill each field accurately, and you can also follow the full instructions in our Help Center. There are a few mandatory fields marked by color, and it's essential to fill them correctly to prevent errors when uploading the file. The first is the property's nickname field, where you'll be required to fill in the property's nickname as it appears in Guesty. To find all of your property's nicknames, you can create a property report with the nickname column added to it. Next are the check-in date and checkout date fields, in which you'll need to enter the dates of the first and last days of the reservation. In the reservation source field, fill in the source of the reservation. In the number of adults field, enter the number of adult guests included in the reservation. Next up, make sure to fill the first name, last name, and email address of the primary guest fields with the correct contact information. If the reservation was already paid, it's important to fill the payment method field with the relevant payment method for the guest, as well as the total amount paid in this column and the date the payment was made in this column. If no payment was charged, leave these fields blank. And finally, fill in the accommodation fare in this field, including any markups or markdowns, deducted fees or taxes, and if relevant, any extra guest fees and any weekly or monthly discounts. However, make sure not to include any basic fees, additional fees, or taxes, since they can be added separately in other columns of this template. When done, click File, then Download, and save it either as an XLSX or a CSV file. Now head back to Guesty and click Upload File. Click here to select the file you've just created, or simply drag and drop it right here. You can give this file a name so it's easier to recognize it in Guesty, and then click Upload File. Your reservations will be uploaded directly to Guesty, and you can track the upload status right here. This might take up to a few minutes, but you don't have to wait. When the process is done, you'll be notified by both an email and a notification in Guesty. In the reservation report, you will now see a new custom view showing all the reservations uploaded in this file. Click here again to look at the full details of your upload. If any of the reservations failed to upload, this indication will appear, along with the reasons they failed. To fix and upload these reservations again, click here, save the file on your computer, fill in any missing data, or fix any incorrect details. Save the changes you've made, and head back to Guesty to upload this file. You can always upload additional reservations in bulk by following these steps from the top, and track the status and details of each upload separately. If you want to learn more, feel free to continue browsing our Help Center. Thanks for watching.